On numerous occasions, we can know before the news hits the mainstream that Palantir is working with a specific company. This has happened before with the Bank of Canada. This has happened before with BMW. This has happened before with Ukraine. And this has happened before with the conflict happening in Europe. And on many other occasions. There is a member from the Twitter community, a Palantir supporter. His name is Ether Squared. I did interview him on my channel before, where he literally puts out an entire dossier explaining what links work and what links don't. When you start working with Palantir, you get a sign-in. So if you play around with words, government, so on and so forth, you can see who is or who is not working with Palantir. It's a huge pain in the ass to go through all of these names. However, all these little seeds that you're planting, all of this hard work that you're putting in, you get vindicated some of the time. So we just found out through Ether Squared and the amazing Palantir Discord. Guys, join the Palantir Discord. It is an amazing Discord with like-minded individuals. It is a great resource and tool for all your Palantir needs. I'm going to leave a description down below in my comment section. The Discord and Ether Squared, who's part of the Discord, figured out Palantir is in fact working with Tesla. Take a look at this. Ether Squared puts out a tweet. Definitely follow this man. Ether Squared types, Tesla is using Foundry. A Discord user, Dango, found what everybody has been waiting for, a dedicated Tesla Foundry link, tesla.palantirfoundry.com. Thanks to this amazing Discord, again, join the Discord. I'm going to leave you guys a link. If you haven't, they're finding what escapes Ether Squared and Cameroon. Both the Cameroon and Ether Squared and Raichi are all crazy contributors to Palantir who do not get enough credit. All the credit goes to YouTubers. But this amazing Twitter community, this amazing Discord community is really bringing the freaking fire. And if you click on the actual picture, this is Dango, and he says tesla.palantirfoundry.com, multipass, login, all. If you click on this, there it goes. This is a link. So if you guys don't understand how this works, you have a link, tesla.palantirfoundry.com. which means that in some way, shape, or form of capacity, Tesla is in fact working with Palantir. Now, this is not 100% confirmed. However, we've not been wrong when you find the link, unless there's some crazy code word. However, nobody would use a code word like Tesla, because I don't think Palantir would let somebody use a code word like Tesla, because they obviously want to work with Tesla if they are not already working with Tesla. That's why 99.9999% I can say, in my personal opinion, I believe this is authentic and Palantir is in fact working with Tesla. What does this mean? So the last couple of quarters, Tesla was able to make crazy production and delivery numbers. And they're able to do this with a crazy crunch of COVID, bottlenecking, supply chain issues, margins, so on and so forth. Well, what exactly does Palantir do? What exactly does Palantir say they can help you with? AI data analytics, which makes you less inefficient, therefore making you more efficient and able to source different supplies from different places and send the supplies that you're missing and definitely alleviate the entire supply chain issue. I actually saw a demo of Palantir working, and they really do make things so much simpler. It was a demo for Palantir and how they were alleviating the stress of shipping containers on a shipping yard. I won't get too much more into it because it's not a public demo and somebody just happened to show it to me, but it's pretty freaking remarkable what they do. They definitely explain how easy it is and how much they reduce the bottlenecking when it comes to supply chain issues. So it's possible Tesla started using Palantir in the last 6 to 12 months. I honestly do believe that Palantir helped Tesla with their production numbers and their delivery numbers, and even right now managing their gigafactories in Texas and their gigafactories in Shanghai that were down or closed or due to supply chain issues and COVID were not able to produce as much as they possibly can. Elon Musk himself says that these gigafactories are burning through billions upon billions of dollars. Maybe Palantir made it a little bit of a softer landing. Maybe Palantir softened that blow just a little bit where they're losing that much less money. Now, Tesla production and deliveries are going to be around 250,000 for the quarter. Now, this is definitely less than the 300 plus thousand that was assumed and expected. However, a lot of people are actually looking at this as an extremely positive number that only Tesla would be able to pull out of their bag of tricks and actually get to 250,000 with the Shanghai Gigafactory closed for weeks on end due to COVID restriction lockdowns. Now, if this comes out in public that Palantir is in fact working with Tesla and Palantir did in fact in some way, shape, or form help Tesla with the bottlenecking and helped with this production and the deliveries, it's a wrap. You remember how Elon Musk tweeted out Dogecoin and Dogecoin literally went to the moon? Well, you're gonna have a much lesser but similar effect to Palantir. It's gonna get a ton of clout. Anything that Elon Musk touches, anything that Elon Musk tweets about, anything that Elon Musk does, whether you like him, you don't like him, or whether you're neutral on him, you must admit he does move mountains and does part seas, for better or for worse. If he starts talking about Palantir and this is somehow confirmed, Palantir price will go up on pure hype alone. Also, I believe that a lot of analysts that are riding on Tesla's coattails will start coverage on Palantir as well. It also makes sense that Palantir is working with Tesla, as Peter Thiel and Elon Musk founded a company that later became PayPal. And through PayPal is exactly where Palantir software came to fruition. Not to mention, Peter Thiel is also an outside investor of SpaceX, also a company that Elon Musk owns. Now, if Palantir is helping Tesla, imagine Palantir is working with Elon Musk in many other capacities, such as Tesla, such as Boring Company, such as Neuralink, and such as SpaceX. Guys, I know it all sounds crazy. I know I'm going to get a lot of people that are going to call me a clown. That's okay. However, you got to connect the dots. And if you connect the dots enough, eventually you start drawing a picture. And when you get a picture, you start getting a clear vision of what's to be. Palantir makes you less inefficient, therefore making you more efficient. A lot of the analysts are not picking this up. And a lot of these people that are hating on Palantir definitely are not realizing what Palantir does, definitely not finding these secret links, definitely not putting in the legwork, and definitely don't have all the data analytics as Palantir has. So it is what it is, but for me, Palantir is an absolute beast. I think Palantir is in the beginning of an S-curve. It will moon up. I have full faith in Palantir. None of this is financial advice, purely entertainment and education purposes only. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm not telling you to hold. Stand on your own 2 feet as an adult. But in my opinion, for me, Palantir is an absolute beast and monster, and I love finding information like this before it hits the mainstream medium. Have a great day.